one corner, or you are building your bar center and will collect money from candidates. What are we doing about this? Lawyers and judicial corruption. All the branches, all of us, all the senior lawyers. No corrupt lawyers and judges. When we are gathered in our dinners and other, we talk about them, we mention names. What do we do as a body? And I suggested years ago, let each of our branch have a small committee of 3 members to go to judges who are identified as corrupt. Even if people are not going to write petition, lock up the door. My Lord, we have allegations of corruption around you. Please, can you, he said, it will deny. I have done it before. But from there, you will change if you monitor me. And for senior lawyer, I've had my colleague to say, oh, that senior lawyer is corrupt, but leave him alone. What is the bad doing about our members, some of whom are standing trial? What are we doing about them? On the rank of senior advocate, there are 2 options all over the world. We either abolish or we democratize. Ghana has abolished the rank of senior advocates. If you are going to retain it, like in England, Canada, and Jamaica, all those who are qualified, who meet set out criteria, must be given the award. The question of discretion does not arise. I know lawyers who have applied 7 or 8 times, they are not given. And some young people apply once. If you are well connected, you are given. This is what happens. The final one on discipline of lawyers, let us not pretend. Today, those who are members of our different community will provide respect to them. Some of them should be disciplined. No, a member of the different committee goes to the court to subject a criminal trial to a court by asking for annulment every time. You are exposing the judiciary to ridicule. Or when your client says it was my lawyer who asked me not to go to court publicly, and that is why I'm suggesting that we should have respected retired judges to man our disciplinary committees and not our members. And it's not going to happen. Mr. President, I wish you success. If you want to make this exercise a success, as soon as the people committee concludes its assignment, you must have an implementation committee to ensure that we don't wait until the next tenure or another regime to be talking of reforming the profession. Thank you very much.